said that if you fail to plan, then you are planning to fail. This is something which stands true in every aspect of life. Your body responds to what you eat and also when you eat food. You feel sleepy after having that big plate of biryani or energetic when you have a banana before going for a workout. Think about it. How we eat our meals, where do they come from, and how we make the food has an immense impact on our health. Hello my dear viewers, I am dietitian Hinal Kataria and welcome to the place where we talk about lung health and how to improve them. You do not have to spend your months online and offline to find the correct diet advice, as you have reached the right place here on a Breastfeed app. Let's explore the importance of thoughtful meal planning to support your respiratory well-being. To explain it better, think of a balanced meal as the foundation of your house. Having a nutrient-balanced meal involves including a variety of micronutrients essentially for overall health. Carbohydrates serves as a primary energy source found in foods like whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Protein from the sources like lean meat, legumes and dairy support muscle growth and repair. Healthy fats found in nuts aid nutrition, absorption and provide essential fatty acids. Balancing macronutrients ensures meals are not only satisfying but also provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. Including a spectrum of micronutrients, vitamins and minerals and antioxidants from a colorful fruits and vegetables ensure the body receives the essential nutrients needed for optimal function. It offers a diverse array of nutrients while creating a satisfying and a nutritional complete meal. Now think of a portion control as the second important pillar in the house. Measuring food portions using tools like measuring cups, scales or visual references can assist in portion control. A practical approach is to visualize portion control and sizes. So serving of a protein should be about the size of your palm. Carbohydrate should be in a cupped hand, and a serving of fats and like nuts and oils should be the match or the size of your thumb. Learning to gauge this portion helps to regulate calorie intake and contributes to a better weight management without the need of a strict calorie counting. Now think of having a diverse food groups in your diet as another important pillar in the house. Diverse food groups ensure a wide spectrum of nutrients in your diet. So each food groups offer distinct benefits. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins and minerals and fiber. Whole grains offer complex carbohydrates, fibers and various nutrients. Lean proteins support muscle growth and repair, while healthy fats contribute to a heart health and aid in a nutrient absorption. Ensure a broad range of nutrients. Now think of a meal frequency as another important pillar in the house. It can determine how things fall in your life and your diet. Frequently, balanced meals throughout the day help to stabilize the blood sugar, sustains the energy level. Aim for 3 main meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner, along with 1 or 2 healthy snacks if needed in between the meals. Starting the day with a nutrient-dense breakfast and kickstarts your metabolism and provides energy for the day ahead. Lunch and dinner should ideally consist of a balanced portion of proteins and carbs and the vegetables. Think of a food preferences and dietary restrictions as the final important pillar in the house. Accommodating individually food preferences, dietary restrictions is crucial for successful meal planning. Consider personal tastes, cultural backgrounds, allergies, intolerance or specific dietary choices like a vegetarian or a gluten-free diet is vital while creating a meal plan. Every house needs a strong foundation, a tall pillar and a big ceiling to protect against the elements. Incorporating seasonal and locally sourced foods not only support the local economy but also ensures optimal freshness and flavors in the meal, offering an abundance of vitamins and minerals. Seasonal meal planning involves adjusting recipes and menus based on the availability of a seasonal ingredient. For example, in summer, meals might feature an array of fresh berries, tomatoes, local vegetables and herbs, while winter meals might highlight root vegetables, hearty greens and fruits. Seasonal foods often cost less and are more environmentally sustainable. Experimenting with a seasonal produce offers the opportunity to explore new flavors and cooking techniques, adding excitement and diversity to your meal. To protect yourself, one needs strong walls. Your cooking method determines how your body will process the food and absorb nutrients from it. Effective meal planning involves efficient meal preparation strategies and choosing healthy cooking methods. Meal preparing serves time and promotes consistency in healthy eating habits. Create a grocery list and prepare ingredients in advance. Opt for cooking techniques like baking, steaming, grilling or sautéing with a minimum oil to preserve the nutritional content of the food. Limiting the use of added fats and excessive cooking items helps maintain the natural flavors and nutrients in the ingredients. You need strong walls to protect yourself and nourish yourself. Similarly, being hydrated is an important element in the house of nutrition. Water plays a very important role in various bodily functions, including your digestion, nutrient absorption, temperature regularization, and waste removal. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day, adjusting based on the individual needs, activity levels, and environmental conditions. Limit your sugary drinks and reduce the intake of caffeinated or alcoholic beverages for better hydration. The dome is a grand building in the pinnacle of the structure. Similarly, snacking is the pinnacle in your meal planning. But it is important to include a balance between the meals to provide energy and curb hunger. It can prevent overeating during a main meals. A well-planned snack should contain a combination of macronutrients, that is protein, carbs and healthy fats, to keep you satisfied until your next meal. In summary, it is important to have meals on time and choose the right things to consume. Go local, munch on a healthy food, your body will thank you for it. Thank you.